Wow, super. It's the Maldives. There are places where you have to get down from the um, airport to taxi, and then taxi takes you to uh, boats, and those boats takes you to the resort which are in the beach, inside the sea. So you can stay there and enjoy the other facilities. They provide you bicycle also to wander there and to explore the beach. So people are enjoying here. They come here for the honeymoon. Some people they come here to rest, and diet is also good. And the beach is very nice. It is clean, and color is a blue. Water color is a blue. Amazing.